adorable? So cute! Aww! So fun! Let's get started with our basic cake, except we're gonna have a shape today. We're gonna cut out the outline of our piggy. Make sure while you're watching, hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Tell us in the comments if you love Peppa Pig.
Wow.
Keep cutting it out, make it all nice so she looks just like your piggy. And then cover in your creamy, creamy frosting. Num, 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 num. Ready for a trivia question? What type of food does Lady and the Tramp share? You remember Lady and the Tramp, right? They share a special food dish. Do you know what it is? Stay to the end to find out. All right, we're gonna do some modeling. Remember to cut careful with your super sharp knife. Aw, and tiny little hands. So cute! Remember, we put them on our little sticks so they help stick in the cake better. So awesome! Aww! Keep going! It's gonna look so cool when it's all done. Keep modeling. Remember, you can always practice with your Play-Doh. Just don't eat it. Now we're gonna start sticking it all together. So exciting! That looks so cool. Ooh, and we can have hot pink dough too. Now we're gonna spell out Peppa Pig. Aww. And we're gonna make our sign. And we're gonna stick all of our letters. P-E, P-P-A. That spells Peppa. And then pig. P-I-G. Pig. Peppa Pig. Ta-da! Now we're gonna start assembling our cake. Roll out our dough. Cake blanket time. Smooth it in. Super careful. Remember, hit that subscribe button while you're watching. Give us a huge thumbs up. Leave us an awesome comment. Whoa! Do this part super careful. Wow, look at that! Super, super careful. Now we're gonna take our red. Smooth it out. Second cake blanket time. Wow, how cool is this? Smooth it in. Use that pizza cutter. It looks so awesome.
Wow.
So cool. Aww. Here goes her eyeballs. And her cheekies. So cute. Aww. The answer to our trivia question, what Lady and the Tramp's dish they share, is spaghetti. Did you guess spaghetti? If so, you're right. It's spaghetti. Aw, so cute! Doesn't that look adorable when you outline her face? Now for her ears. Stick them on super careful. And her hands. Aww. So cute. And her tiny little legs and feet. With her cute black shoes. Do you have cute black shoes too? So cool! And her tail. Aww! Now a little more outlining. Remember, hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Tell us in the comments what your favorite color is. Is it Peppa Pig pink? And her sign, Peppa Pig.